Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT Master Edition. In this video I'll show you how to send messages via Google Assistant. In the beginning, enter Google app. Tap More, go to Settings, Google Assistant, Voice Match, and make sure that this function is enabled. OK Google, OK Google, OK Google. And now you can simply say, OK Google, send message to Lily. OK Google, send message to Lily. Send message to Lily.
Alright, what's the message?
Hey, how are you?
Sending your message saying, hey, how are you?
Despite of troubles, we've succeeded. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.